this is going to be the last time I'm going to put this son of a gun together. I got the flywheel on now, or put the flywheel on. I'm going to put the starter on, hook up the torque converter, or the transmission torque converter, bolt her all together, put it in, and hopefully that's it. I spent all weekend slopping up water. She's all nice and dry now. And I took gallons and gallons and gallons and gallons of water out of the sump hole. Well, it's not really a sump, it's only a drain hole going into the ground. And the ground just wasn't sucking it up and pushing it back up. But anyway, I got it dried out, and I'm going to put everything all back together again. And I left the door open, windows open. She all dried out good last night, so now it's time to put her together. And hopefully that's the last time. Weeks, 3 weeks I guess, since my wife got sick. I still think it's on the dog house, but good. And doing a little bit of work on the Fargo. Most guys didn't want to be in the dog house, but this is one dog house I want to be in. I want to get working on the Fargo again, do a little bit at a time. I think today I'm going to put the distributor on, put the carburetor on. I rebuilt the carburetor a couple days ago. I hope I did it right. Another adventure. But anyway, I want to put the distributor in, set the timing, see what I can get done. Anyway, I hope it goes all right. Son of a gun if I got this started, eh? That's coming.